Alright, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be learning how to insert a drop-down menu in Microsoft Excel. So today we'll be learning about two types of drop-down menu. The first one is a dependent drop-down menu, which depends on some number of cells and what is contained in those cells. And the second one will be the independent drop-down menu, which doesn't depend on certain number of cells and what are contained in those cells. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into it. So the first one is the dependent drop-down menu. So let's say we have our cell here and say house color. I want to have our drop-down menu here, which we will select the type of color. And in our sheet 2 here, I've listed out some colors of which we select. So what we want to do is to click on the cell we want to insert the drop-down menu. Then we'll go to data. And then we'll come down to data validation. And then we select this allow here and select our list. Then now they're asking us of the source. Then now we select this to select the source of those cells. We'll go to our sheet 2. We'll click and select these cells. And after that, we click here. And then we click OK. So for house color now, we can click our drop down menu and select the color of which we want. Yellow, red, pink. And that's all for the dependent drop down menu. Now for the second drop down menu, which is the independent drop down menu. Okay, let's say after house color, let's say age. I want to have a drop down menu which contains some certain numbers of age. So the same thing, we select the cell we want to put our drop down menu. We go to our data tab and our data validation, and then we select our list. Now we are not selecting the number of cells because this is an independent drop down menu. So we insert what we want it to be in our drop down menu inside here. 1 separated by comma, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We want our age range to be from 1 to 10. Then we click on OK. You see we have our drop down menu here. Can select and then we choose from our drop down menu. Say 10 years old, 8, 6. And that's all for the drop down menu. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to the channel for more exciting videos like this. See you in our next video.